Welcome to Indonesia, a land where nature, culture, and spirit meet in breathtaking harmony. An archipelago of more than 17,000 islands, stretching from the Indian Ocean to the Pacific. From sacred temples hidden in the jungle to volcanoes touching the clouds, Indonesia is not just a destination, it's an experience that awakens your soul. Our adventure begins in Jakarta, Indonesia's vibrant capital, a city of energy, contrasts, and resilience. Here, the old meets the new. Colonial architecture stands beside modern towers, while the aroma of street food fills the air, from spicy satay skewers to sweet martabak pancakes. It's chaotic, colorful, and alive, a microcosm of the entire country. But Indonesia's true magic lies beyond the city, where nature writes its own masterpiece. No journey through Indonesia is complete without Bali, the island of gods and gratitude. Here, every sunrise begins with a prayer, every temple tells a legend, and every wave carries a story. In Ubud, lush rice terraces glow under the morning sun. In Uluwatu, cliffs rise above turquoise seas where surfers chase the perfect wave. But it's not just Bali's beauty. It's its spirit, a balance between nature and faith, art and life. Every offering, every smile, every dance feels like a blessing shared with the world. Travel west to Java, the beating heart of Indonesia, where volcanoes breathe and history whispers through stone. At dawn, Mount Bromo glows under a sea of mist, its fiery crater a reminder of nature's power. Nearby, Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple, stands as a symbol of peace and enlightenment, its stone stupas reaching for the heavens. In Yogyakarta, artists, poets, and travelers gather, keeping alive the country's creative soul. Here, tradition and modern life blend seamlessly, proof that Indonesia is a country that honors its roots while embracing the future. Few places on Earth feel as raw and untouched as Komodo National Park, home to the legendary Komodo dragon. These ancient creatures, the last of their kind, roam freely across volcanic islands surrounded by turquoise seas and pink sand beaches. Beneath the waves lies another world, coral gardens teeming with life, manta rays gliding gracefully through the currents. It's wild, it's primal, it's pure Indonesia. Nature at its most awe-inspiring. To the west lies Sumatra, an island of misty jungles and raw beauty. Here, Lake Toba, the world's largest volcanic lake, reflects the sky like a mirror, surrounded by mountains and Batak villages. In the dense rainforests of Borneo, orangutans swing through ancient trees, gentle reminders of our shared connection to nature. These islands are the lungs of the world, wild, green, and alive. A sanctuary for wildlife and a paradise for those seeking peace far from the crowds. Beyond the famous destinations lie hundreds of islands few have ever seen. In Raja Ampat, coral reefs bloom in every color imaginable, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. In Lombok, waterfalls crash through the jungle and Mount Rinjani towers above the clouds. And in Nusa Penida, cliffs plunge into deep blue seas where manta rays dance below. Each island feels like a secret, a reminder that Indonesia's beauty knows no bounds. Indonesia is more than a place. It's a feeling. It's the warmth of a smile from a stranger, the scent of incense at sunrise, the sound of waves meeting volcanic shores. It's a land where every island has a soul, and every traveler leaves changed. Indonesia doesn't just stay in your memory, it stays in your heart. So tell me, which island would you explore first? Bali's temples, Komodo's dragons, or the reefs of Raja Ampat? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if Indonesia just made it to your bucket list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because more hidden wonders are waiting to be discovered. Let's keep exploring the world, one island at a time.